Hello you all, welcome back to Soldier Farms. I'm Jim. We're in the shop today. We're going to work on our ukulele project. Depending on how well our neck has set up, that depends on how far we'll get. So let me turn you down here to the workspace and we'll check it out. Alright, as you can see, it has set up pretty well. So we will go ahead and fit the nut. So, put these back here. Move that out of the way. Looks like I need to trim a little. What I'm seeing is some flash from the sprue when they injection molded the fretboard. I'm seeing a little mold flash here on the end, so I'm going to trim that. Just use the blade of my utility knife. And do that. Then our nut, which will see if I can't turn this around and make it more visible for you while I'm working. All right, now. All right. So we have a little space there where we have a little space there. Now, essentially, what we're going to try and do is we're just going to rough this up and recess it just a little bit. And we're going to do that by putting a little tape on our file. And then holding our file very just a bit. And now our nut. Let's see about fitting this nut. Alrighty. Oops. Alright, so now we're just going to take across our file, take the burr off. Good. Take the burr off. Alright, set that there and that there. Okay, that is much nicer. So, alrighty, so we're going to let that set up for just a few minutes and I will come right back.